Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and placing your footage in the media browser. This saves time later. Once done, go to File New Sequence and pick Custom. Set the frame size to 1080 x 1920 for vertical mobile or 720 x 1280 for smaller files. Make sure the time base matches your footage frame rate so motion remains smooth. Also set pixel aspect ratio to square pixels. That prevents distortion. These steps lock in the canvas you will edit on. You now import clips and drag them onto the vertical sequence. Choose Set to Frame Size to preserve pixel integrity. Then open Effect Controls and adjust scale and position so subjects fit the tall frame. You are reframing, not cropping blindly. If you need movement, add motion keyframes for smooth pans or slow zooms. This simulates camera movement and keeps composition dynamic. Make sure to check edges at 0% and 100% zoom to avoid unintended black bars or cut off import. You finish by exporting, File Export Media. Choose H.264, then set output to 1080 x 1920 and enable Match Source High Bitrate or manually set bitrate to 15 to 30 Mbps for crisp mobile playback. Make sure to rotate metadata if targeting platforms that read orientation. If you see black bars or letterboxing, double-check sequence frame size and each clip scale/position. Often clips were scaled to 1920 x 1080 originally. Fixing that resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.